Hey guys, Stephen Peelers here, back in the garage. Today I look at the RetraxPRO MX retractable tonneau cover, and this is part of Retrax's premium aluminum line of covers, and it is retractable like I mentioned, but that premium aluminum is industrial grade and can withstand a snow load of about 500 pounds, and a snow load is essentially just a evenly distributed weight along the cover, so it really is durable and can hold up on its own there. Now, one of the things that you do probably notice right away is this nice finish. It's a matte black powder coated finish, and that powder coat does a great job at resisting scratches, scuffs, anything like that, but it also looks great and sleek, and this is super low profile. And the thing that stands the highest off the bed is the rail system. So the cover itself really does look great and sleek on this vehicle. Now, another cool thing about this cover is that it is retractable, but they do their retraction in a little bit of a different way than some of the others, and they use a canister system that works on a spiral track. And that way the cover doesn't roll up on itself, but rolls in through that track system. Now, because it's not rolling in on itself, it's not going to get scuffed over time as you begin to use this as a cover and as you retract it several times. And in some cases, if you get a rock or an acorn in the canister of a competitor's product, this cover can roll up on itself over those rocks, over those acorns, and really cause some damage to the cover. But because of that track system, this is going to look great for the duration that you own it. Now, the only downside of that, I'm just going to be honest with you here, is that that canister is actually pretty large. And in these smaller mid-sized truck applications like the Colorado here, that bed space is precious. So you may be considering that, but really I think the benefits there for protecting your cover outweigh the downsides. That's just my opinion there, but it really is a good looking cover, functions great. And as you saw, it's just as easy as rolling it up and down the track system. Another cool thing about this cover is that it can lock in place anywhere on the rail. So you're not locked into closed position, 25%, 50%. You can lock it anywhere from whether it's 5 inches, 17 inches. I mean, really you have some options there, which is a really neat idea. And this is lockable with a key. So they do provide keys for you. So if you want to keep nefarious types of people out of your bed, you can do that as well, very simply. Now to lock it in place, all you do is pop the lever back down, and this is not going anywhere. Now, the advantage of being able to lock this at any point on the rail system is that, for instance, if you have a ladder that's kind of hanging off of your tailgate, you can actually use the cover to brace the ladder, so it's not going to fly out on the interstate or catch wind, and you could really use anything in this space. That's just an example, but that's just one of the benefits there of using this lockable rail system. Now, other than that, moving on to the installation. So for us in the garage, this project took us maybe 45 minutes to do, but your mileage may vary depending on the tools and manpower you have available. On the difficulty scale, I'll give this a 4 of 10. If it weren't for the size of the product itself, I would give this a 2 of 10. The instructions are super clear, easy to follow, and overall it's actually a pretty straightforward project, but there is some pre-assembly required where you have to put the rails onto the canister, and that makes this kind of unwieldy to handle on your own. So if you have a buddy over, you could make pretty quick and easy work of this project. Now, if you have any questions about the cover itself, check the description below. We'll have everything listed for you there, from a part number to a description to a dealer locator, so you can find this cover at a dealer near you. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comments below. If you like the video, leave us a like. If you love the video, feel free to subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications every time we release a new video. Thanks again for tuning in. This has been Performance Corner in the Garage.